Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do 2022 January plan with me bullet spread. So I'm just preparing the pages over here and then I will do a quick calligraphy of January. So I'm not so expert in doing the calligraphy, so I'm just doing it roughly anyhow, and then like it was looking very boring, so I decided to make it little more dark and bold by adding some like more color to it. So I'm using a gray color gel pen and doing some outline over it so that it looks more bold and good. So yeah, this is how it turned out. And now like the page was looking very basic, so I decided to add some purple color flower over there. And yeah, so I decided to add the purple color flowers over all the page, not just over top of the there, so that it add more color to this page and this page looks more bright and inviting. So yeah, that is how January month is for me. It is very bright, flowery, windy and cold and everything mix and match month. So yeah, and then I will be drawing some flowers, some leaves over there, connecting all the flowers with these leaves. And I'm just turning the book so that it becomes easy for me to work. I'm just making the journal spontaneously and randomly. I don't have a particular theme in mind, so I will like add anything which comes to mind and I don't have any specific theme. And now I am just taking a pink color highlighter and adding a more pop of color to it, and now it's looking like more appealing and more like aesthetic kind of thing. I also have this cutout of calendar 2022, so I will just paste it here to give it a more classic look, which is the theme of my journal, like black and white classic printed look. So it will help in giving that look and like pasting it nicely so that it doesn't come out from the end. And just using a black pen and giving simple dot kind of design, nothing more complicated, just simple design. And now like finding a quote for the quotes page, so going through all the stickers, and then I choose this one, good vibes only, because it was matching with this and also we want good vibes for the January. And now taking the highlighter and making some pretty basic border design, and that's it for the page. I will use this page for like writing down any of thoughts or something, the leftover page, and just doing some doodling over there. Now second spread is monthly calendar, so I have already made the border and now we are writing the heading monthly calendar. And this spread will be used like to schedule and to post all the content, like to schedule my both the account content over here and also the YouTube content, like on which date I have to pay, I have to post, and like things like that. So it will be useful for that. And like this is not my favorite spread, but it is very useful one because it helps in lot planning the content and scheduling everything and making everything proper so that I don't miss out on anything. So it will really help a lot. Now making just simple boxes for all the days of the month. As you can see, I'm very bad with drawing lines and all of that things, and my lines are like, but it's your journal and you can do anything. And after that I'm just writing the days of the week. After that I will be just mentioning all the dates of the January. And that's it for this spread. I am keeping it very simple because I don't like to like decorate it much more, and doing some highlighter and thing, and that's it. Moving to other spread. So this is my favorite spread because here I get to get more creative. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking two simple pages from my previous bullet journal and I will be sticking these pages and will be using them to like note the ideas and everything. So just applying the glue properly so that pages get stick well to the book and they doesn't come off. So like yes, applying the glue very properly. After that, we'll give the heading. So here it is for YouTube ideas, so I decided to use red color pen. And here we will be brainstorming all the ideas for the YouTube which we have for that month. And now here Instagram ideas. So I didn't get pink color pen, so I'm just using purple one and drawing few dots on the border so that it looks more cute and little aesthetic kind of thing. And that's it for our spread, and putting on the work sticker over there because it's my work and like I really appreciate it and like making it more bold. Moving on to the other spread, here also I have like few pages of my journal which I cut out randomly, and here we will stick them properly in a random sequence. And like this is the new spread which I saw on one of the video, and I'm trying to like imitate that, and yeah, sticking all the pages randomly. And now we will give the heading. So I'm using different color pen for different heading. First is favorite dramas, so whichever drama which are my favorite of that month will go there. Song in my mind, so whichever song which is in my mind for that month will be here. Memories, any important or good memories, and book list, so whichever book I'm reading, whether it may be online, offline, that will be here. Sticking a purple heart over there, and our spread is ready. Also adding a flower to it so that it looks more good and aesthetic. The last spread is monthly reflection. So it is very important for us to like reflect on our month, like how it was, and doing some flower doodles, again the same which we did on the first page, joining them with leaves. And but this time the color is red, but it is looking cute, and yeah, simple doodle over there. And with the help of highlighter, making it more bold and colorful. After that, I am sticking the sticker of amazing, because yes, your every day, your every month is amazing. Now sticking this pink color heart over the first page because it was looking little incomplete. And first we have quote, then we have January month and the first page with pink heart. Then we have a monthly calendar, and then YouTube ideas, Instagram ideas with pretty dots over there and sticker. Then favorite drama, book list, song, memories, and monthly reflection. Hope you like this journal, find it useful. Subscribe to the channel. I will meet you next time. Bye.